Hi, M6181. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir, and to all Hong Kong employers. I am Mary Joyce E.L. Norshaw. I am married and 32 years old with two children. My eldest is 9 years old and my youngest is 4 years old. I am Roman Catholic and I studied Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My experience here in the Philippines, I took care of a 4-year-old child and my main duties will take care the children because the both parents are working.
Okay, so you are the one who took care of the child,
Yes,
which is a
sir.
4 years old. You are stay out in this work, right?
Yes,
You're
sir.
going to work at 8 a.m. and go home at 5 p.m. You are
Yes,
the one
sir.
who tutoring the children, right?
Yes, sir.
And you do not do other household chores,
No, sir.
only cleaning
Sometimes.
sometimes. Okay, so you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, but my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a
Yes,
newborn
sir.
baby?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you know how. Because you have
Yes, I
children,
know,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
And you are the one who took care of them since
Yes,
birth?
yes, sir.
Okay. Um, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I check the temperature and I feed the baby or I check the diaper. Maybe it's full.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will
Um,
you do?
I will call the attention of my employer.
Okay. Um, and what will you say to your employer right away?
The baby is not stopped to crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because it's the safest place in earth in the world and offers high salary.
Okay. And how long do you want to work?
2 years and more and depends in need of my employers.
So it depends on the need of your employer.
Yes,
So
sir.
if your employer wants you to extend your contract, you are willing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn and I am fast learner.
And how will you learn to cook?
By watching YouTube videos and reading cookbooks.
Okay. And also, if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could also ask them or help them how do they prepare so
Yes,
that you
sir.
could learn, right?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
It's okay, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
It's okay, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
It's okay, sir.
If your employers have a prior commitment on Sunday or in a holiday, it is okay to you to work.
It's okay, sir.
How about taking care of pets like dogs, cats?
Okay, sir.
How about taking care of elderly, help them go to bed, to the bathroom, or hospitals for
Yes, sir.
checkups?
It's okay for you.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hello to all the employers. Hello to all Hong Kong employers. Please hire me and I will take care of your family. I am responsible and respectful.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Mary
Thank
Joyce.
you.
Okay.